Today is Tuesday, September 17th. Just got a knock at my door from UPS. They delivered my copy of World War Z. It is the 3D Blu-ray, Blu-ray, and DVD digital combo pack. Let me repeat. It is a 3D Blu-ray, also the Blu-ray, plus the DVD and the digital copy. The 3D version. I love the 3D. Looks so nice on my 3D TV. And it is the extended cut also included in here. Plus the theatrical cut. World War Z with Brad Pitt. This movie is really good. Thriller, epic, and it's spectacular. The suspense is killer. Raised Peter Tris of the Rolling Stone. First pace, post-pounding. Action, epic. Former Thriller United Nations investigator Gary Lane, which is Brad Pitt, is in a race against time to save both his family and the world from a pandemic that is toppling governments and threatening to destroy humanity itself. David Dingley of the New York calls World War Z the most gratifying action spectacular in years. This includes new features, which is the unrated, uncut, with intense footage not shown in theaters. This one is the Blu-ray 3D theatrical feature film. This too is the Blu-ray unrated feature film, behind the scenes featurettes, and compelling insider looks at the creation of World War Z apocalypse. Disc 3 is the DVD theatrical film feature itself, and then you have your digital copy for your iPhone 5, well, soon to be iPhone 5S, or if you somehow get an iPhone 5C, which I don't know why, but the 5S, or you can put it on your Android digital devices or whatever. Even your PlayStation Vitas. So, without further ado, let's open up this World War Z Blu-ray 3D Blu-ray plus DVD digital copy. Let's open this up. Look at that. On the spine itself. 3D. Can't wait to play this in 3D. Been collecting a lot of 3D Blu-rays. Dude, look what you get here. The art of the film. World War Z. As you can see here. Art of the film itself. Just skim through some of this. See how they made some of this. Images in this book are taken from World War Z, The Art of the Film, out now from Titan Books. So this is a taste from the big version that you could get at your local Barnes and Nobles. Borders is out of business. Used to love that bookstore, but now I go to Barnes and Nobles. See here some of the zombie creations, Tated creations. World War Z. But there you have it, the art book there. See on the back itself too. And also in this nice slipcase, nothing else inside. You have your 3D Blu-ray, your Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy. Look at there, 3D Blu-ray. Nothing else inside there. Let's open this up. Opening the plastic up. Get to this. Boom. Voila. Look at this. Have your 3D Blu-ray there. Your Blu-ray copies blue. And your DVD copy right there. It's nice. Authentic disc. As your authentic disc. Put that there, down right there. Comes with the special features. Theatrical film there. Now, there you have it. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next unboxing video.